So how to create a Wise account. So to go ahead and create a Wise account, it's very simple to do. And using the method I'm about to show you in this video, you'll also have the opportunity to get a free card once you create your account. So jumping straight into it, you'll just want to click the link in the description and it will open you up to this page here, which is where you can sign up through my own invite link. So using my own referral link, you'll be able to get a free card or a fee-free transfer of up to £500. So make sure you click the link below in the description. And then from here, you simply just want to go ahead and enter your email address. Then once you've entered your email, click Get Your Gift, and then it should open you up to this page here, where it will ask you if you want a personal account or business account. So for the example of this video, let's just say personal account. So you'll go ahead and select that. Then once you've done that, you'll then just need to go ahead and enter your country of residence. So for the example of this video, we're going to say UK. And then after that, you then just need to go ahead and enter your phone number. Then once you've entered your phone number, select Send Verification Code. And then from there, you just need to wait for a verification code to be sent over. And once you've got that code texted over, you just need to enter it here. Then once you've entered the 6-digit code, select Done. And then once you've done that, you then just need to go ahead and enter your password. So go ahead and enter your chosen password. Make sure it contains a letter, a number, and has 9 or more characters. Then once you've selected your password, click Continue. And then from there, you'll be brought through to this page here, which if you use my link at the start of the video, you'll then get the opportunity to pick your reward. So you can either go with a free transfer or a free card. So click Continue from there. Then once you've done that, you'll be brought through to this page here, which is about communication preferences. So you can simply just select Continue from here. Then once you've done that, you'll be brought through to this page here. So you just need to go ahead and enter your first name, last name, and date of birth. Then once you've entered those details, click Save and Continue. And then once you've done that, you then just need to go ahead and enter your address. So you can either search for your address using your postcode, or you can also enter your address manually. Then once you've entered your address, select Confirm and Continue. Then once you've done that, you'll be brought through to this page here, where you'll then just need to select what you want to do first. So you can either continue opening a current account, or you can go ahead and send money abroad. So because this video is about opening a Wise account, we'll just go ahead and select Open a Current Account. Then once you've done that, you'll be brought through to this page here. So from here, you just need to select any of these that apply to you. So because none apply to me myself, I'm just going to say none of these apply to me, but if they do, just go ahead and select them. Then from there, you'll be brought through to this page here, which will just give you a rundown of all the interest opportunities you can earn with Wise. So you can scroll down and click Continue. Then from there, you just need to confirm your tax residency. So because we're just the UK, we're going to say yes, only the UK, but you can also make amendments if you need to. Then from there, you just need to review and confirm, so make sure to give this all a read, and if you're happy, you can select I agree to the terms and conditions, and you can turn on interest from there. Then from there, you'll be brought through to this page here, so you can select yes, confirm. And then once you've done that, you can then go ahead and select if you want a digital only card, or as we discussed in the start of the video, you're also entitled to a free physical card. So if you would like that, you can go ahead and select physical. And then from there, you can then go ahead and select the type of design you want on your card. So from here, we'll select standard, as unfortunately Echo is out of stock. So select the card you want. And then from there, you just need to enter your delivery address. Then once you've entered your delivery address, you'll just need to choose your delivery method. So we're just going to go with standard, as it's the free option. Then once you've done that, you just need to select how your name appears on the card. So you can either use your first name first or your last name first. And then after you've selected your name format, you'll then just need to enter the PIN that you want to use on your card. Then once you've entered your chosen PIN, click Continue. And then from there, you just need to go ahead and review your order. And if you're happy with all the details you've entered, you can select Continue at the bottom. Then for the next step, you'll just need to go ahead and switch to your smartphone. So you can either send a link by email or you can scan a QR code. So for the example of this video, we're just going to select Scan a QR code. And then from there, you'll then need to scan this QR code and continue the following steps from your smartphone. So once you've opened up the QR code or click the link, it will then just ask you to verify your identity. So from here, you can use the drop down menu here to select the country where the ID is from. and then you can also select what type of ID it is. So as you can see in our example, we're using driver's license. So once you've selected the type of ID you want to use, you can select next from here. Then once you've selected next, you can then go ahead and take a photo. So once you've taken a photo of your ID, you'll then get the opportunity to approve it. And if you're happy, you can select submit at the bottom. Then once you've photographed your ID, you'll then just need to take a selfie for it to match the ID. So click continue from here, go ahead and take a selfie. And once you've taken your selfie, you should be given this green tick right here to confirm it. And then from there, you can then head back to your desktop. And if you click right at the bottom here where it says I've finished verifying, you can then continue from there. Then on the next page, you will then just need to select what the main reason is. So there's no right or wrong answer, just select the one that applies to you the most. So for example, let's say we're sending money to friends or family. So select that, click continue. And then once you've done that, you just need to select how much money you expect to move with Wise in a year. So from here, just guess your best estimate. So for example, let's just say it's 5,000 to 10,000. You can select continue from there. And then once you've done that, just to finish setting up your account, you'll then just need to go ahead and transfer money into your new Wise account. So for example, as you can see already here, we're going to send £20 to our new Wise account. But if you want to change this figure, you can also change it at the top as well. And in addition to that, you can also go ahead and change the currency or change the method if you wish. So once you're ready to send money to your new Wise account, you can select continue from here. And then from there, because we selected bank transfer, we can then go ahead and select the bank that we want to transfer money from. And if you can't see your bank listed, you can also select manual bank transfer at the bottom. So for example, let's propose you selected on Barclays. You can go ahead and select continue from there. And then once you've done that, you'll then get the opportunity to scan your QR code, which will take you through to the Barclays app. Or alternatively, you can also select pay on desktop right in the corner right here. But go ahead and scan this QR code and then it should take you to online banking where you can go ahead and make the transaction. Then once you've made your first transfer over to Wise, you'll get this message here to confirm that we're processing your payment. So this should only take a few seconds. And there you have it. And it should open you up to your new Wise dashboard from here. And you should see the amount that you entered into your Wise account from here. So as you can see, here's the £20 we put into Wise. And you can go ahead and start using Wise from here. And there you have it. And now you've set up Wise, you can then go ahead and download the Wise app. So you can go ahead and continue using Wise on your smartphone as well. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe as it helps the channel massively. If you have any questions, feel free to comment them below. And thanks again for watching.